Don't let your pineapple sit on the counter and go to waste. One thing you can make before they go bad is pineapple popsicles. First, all you have to do is just cut the top off the pineapple. I still usually wash off the skin, but then you need to remove the fruit. You can use a knife to cut off the skin, then cut the fruit into pieces, or you can use a pineapple core like this and extract all the pineapple fruit. Pull out the pineapple core and put the pineapple in a bowl. Save as much juice as you can. You may see some overripe spots, but you can eat slightly overripe spots on pineapples, but it's best to cut them off if they're too far gone. I have a NutriBullet blender, so the container size isn't very big, but I'll blend it up in 2 batches. But first, juice 1 small lime. I use a citrus juicer with an attached glass container. If you want to see what tools I use in the kitchen, just check out the link in the description for my list of essential kitchen items posted on my website. I'll add all the juice to this first batch because it's going to end up all together anyway. Blend up the pineapple for about 15 seconds or so, or until it's liquefied, and then set aside in the bowl. I'll blend up the rest of the pineapple now. You can add about 1/4 cup of agave syrup now, if you like, but you can also use any sweetener that you like of your choosing. In retrospect, I should have added it after I strained out the pineapple pulp. Next, I'll use my mesh strainer to remove the pulp in larger pieces of pineapple. You can wait until it strains through by itself, or you can use a spoon like I did, just to push the juice through the strainer. Next, I used a cheesecloth bag to filter it through a second time. After straining out the rest of the pulp, I got my popsicle molds ready and used the included funnel to fill up the first mold. After all was said and done, 1 pineapple was able to fill up 4 popsicle molds. 1 mold holds 3 ounces. Securely place the handles on top, and now it's ready to be put in the freezer for about 8 to 10 hours. But me, I left them in overnight. After leaving them in the freezer overnight, now they're ready to go. Now, if you try to remove the handle, it may be a little difficult. All you have to do is to take some warm water in a cup, dip the popsicle mold into the warm water for a few seconds, and the mold should just slide right off. So don't throw out those pineapples that are going bad. Oh, I guess I should take a bite and taste it, huh? It's just like you would expect. If you like pineapple like I do, it's sweet, yet tangy. It's not overly fancy, just a refreshing pineapple treat. I love it, and my kids do too. So visit my recipe ranking page to see where the recipe ranks compared to other previous recipes in the past. Check out the link in the description below. But also try out my easy slow cooker red beans and rice recipe by clicking the video here or clicking the link in the description below and question, what's your favorite way to use ripe pineapples? God bless and comment below.